Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. There's a bit of a random range of stuff on here. Today we're going to be looking at a LED light. Now I do a bit of DMX lighting from time to time, stage lighting, stuff like that. Not massively huge, but small, cheap and on a budget. And what I've got here is I believe it's a U-King branded light. They were a little bit unclear on the website. They said it's a U-King light. It comes with no branding on the box whatsoever. That's why I'm unsure. I purchased it as a U-King light. It is a 200 watt light, and I decided to make this video because I went looking for information on this light and videos, and I could not find very much information at all. They showed me a lovely T-bar lighting stand about yay high with the lights shining on the ground, which doesn't give me an idea of how far these lights actually throw. So I've bought one, picked it up, gonna let you guys know what it is so that you know whether to buy them or not. Now, straight out of the box, we get a plug there, ready to go. Not massively long, but I guess you're going to be running your cables anyway. And this one has come with an Australian plug for me, which is good, and I did select that when I ordered it. Comes with the user manual, and it is super informative. It's a little tiny 2-page. It tells you 8-channel dimmer. So when the light is running in 8-channel DMX 512, channel 1 is dimmer, RGBW from dark to bright, so your master. Channel 2 is red, channel 3 is green, channel 4 is B dimmer from dark to bright, channel 5 is W dimmer from dark to bright. So we've got red, green, blue and white with a master. 1, 2, 3, 4. Channel 6 is strobe. Channel 7 is functions, channel 8 is function speed control. Now, in 4-channel mode, it runs, channel 1 is red dimmer, channel 2 is blue dimmer, channel 3 is, green dimmer, then blue dimmer, then channel 4 is white dimmer. So you don't have a master, so you've got a mix on that. And then it's got a whole bunch of stuff here about all the other functions that this light can do. But we want to see the light, so we've got the yoke. Bit of foamy stuff, the brackets, and here we go. Here is the light. Now, first up, what I notice is that it doesn't actually have the U-King branding on it. It just comes as a black light. Looks like that. Now, the instructions to put these on, I don't really need. So we'll stick this on, and then I'm going to turn it on for you. Bit of damage there, where it's not quite powder coated properly. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Now it's a 2 point something kilo light. I think it says on here. No, it doesn't say on the box, but yeah, it's about a 2.1 or 2.2 kilo light, which is a little bit weighty, but that's okay. Now I'm not going to aim it straight at the camera, but I will show you, see what this thing's actually like. So, get some power, and it comes on. You've got your display mode, up, down, and enter. So we're just going to go into some of the standalone modes. So, okay, it's coming with everything on. So you can see here, we've got that shining up behind me. That's with green, so I'm going to go up, turn the green off. We'll just start with the red. So mode, blue, up, enter to set the the colour, otherwise it won't. White, down to make it 0, enter. So we have red there going now. Now I'm just going to put that, whoop, and I've put it into one of the function modes. It will run master and slave. So to give you an idea, a little bit better than in the video that they do, you can see that's hitting the roof of this room that I'm in and bouncing off. It's a 200 watt light, so keep that in mind. We'll flick it to, let's see, green. So we've got the green. That gives you a bit of an idea if you want to uplight a wall or something like that. I'm actually really impressed with this light, the U-King. 200 watts. We will go blue. So the blue is a bit softer. It's not quite as intense as some of the others, but it's still pretty good. I'm very impressed with that. Now, what I'm doing to change these is just on the back here. I'm using it as standalone. I'm not running DMX. That's a whole nother way of doing it. I'm just using the mode button and the up and down to control the intensity. So we'll go, actually we'll run through. It changes everything. You can go into DMX. So we'll go on the green and we go up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can dim the intensity up. We're at 71, 137, 200. Whoop, and there we go, right round. So full brightness on that, just by dimming them up and down. So blue, we're up to white. So there's the white. It's a very, very stark white. I'll just sit that down there like that. You may want to use it. Now, I want to try something here. Run back around. One thing I'm not super keen on is that it starts flashing as you cycle, but that's okay. There shouldn't be anybody there while you are setting it up. So I'm going to mix a little bit of red, and that warms that white up a little bit. So that's good. You can do that on your DMX when mixing it, or you can mix your colours on the back here. Just remember to hit the enter after, and you can mix. So we'll put some green into that. Makes it yellow. More green. So yeah, pretty impressed with these lights. We'll just see what some of the modes can do, and I'll flick to a bit of video. I like that. Now in the modes, DE is a colour changing mode. It's going quite fast there, but you can speed it up and slow it down on the back here. So 98. So there we go, it's slowed down. So I might just move my desk out of the way. So there you go. In a more real world environment, this is actually a studio that I am able to use. And you can see my hand up here to the height. Gives you an idea of the strength, the intensity of the light, how much it's shining on me in the different colours. Bit better than a T-bar stuck at head height, shining straight on the ground, going flash, 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 flash to some music. So this is the U-King 200 watt light. I picked these up on eBay. I am looking at this one. I am very, very happy with it. I could actually use it as a white stage wash. up here down the front as a back of a headlight. These would be great for churches, for small stage setups where you might have something small where you want a bit of light, but you've got that DMX, just to give a bit of extra lighting and a bit of colour, something a bit more interesting. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed my quick run through on the U-King 200 watt DMX LED light. As I said, I'm pretty happy with it. Looks pretty robust. It's better than some of the other lights that I have purchased. Better build. Doesn't have all the branding on it, which I do actually like. And so yeah, guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out some of the random stuff that I do. I know a lot of it's four-wheel driving and camping, but I do some other things like this. See you around on YouTube.